What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be trying out Walakut Puff from Heat Transfer Warehouse. I never used it before. I'm going to do a review on it. Everything I watched on it seems like it's a really good vinyl, so I'm going to give it a shot and see what happens with it. I put my press at 318 for 12 seconds. This press is a lot different than other presses because it's generic, but that's the setting I'm going to go with on this. It might be different for other people's presses, so I'm going to keep this one pretty short. I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to press this onto the shirt. I already weeded it out. I didn't put that whole process up. I just wanted to put it down and see what happens if it puffs up. Like I said, I have mine at 318 for 12 seconds. Pre-press this. I'm just going to pre-press it for like 5 seconds. Fold it up, get my center. Let's see what happens. Put your center. Let's see what happens. Never did this before, this is my first time, and it's Walakut Puff from Heat Transfer Warehouse. It's gonna be a hot peel. Oh shit, that did puff up. Damn. I'm gonna try to bring you guys closer so you can see this. That did puff up. Oh yeah, that puffed up real nice. That actually came out real good. And I put my settings, they're at 318 for 12 seconds. That came out real nice. That actually came out a lot better than I thought. I'll put it up in the camera so you can see. That came out real nice. Real nice puff to it. I'll definitely be buying more of this stuff. Alright guys, that is Walakut Puff from Heat Transfer Warehouse. I think I'm saying that right. I actually am very pleased with how it came out. I'm definitely going to be ordering more of this stuff from there. First time ever doing it, didn't have no problems with it. So if you would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to keep coming out with some more t-shirt content. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.